1 Minute Portuguese Lesson 3. Hello and welcome again to 1 Minute Portuguese, where you can learn Portuguese 1 minute at a time with me, Mark.
And me, Susana.
We're going to be talking about language today. You'll learn how to say that you speak a little Portuguese. You can guarantee that if you say this to a Portuguese speaker, they will be very impressed with your skills, and remember that a little language goes a long way.
The clock is ticking, so let's get learning.
Your 1 minute language lesson starts now. The word for Portuguese in Portuguese is
Português.
Let's repeat that.
Português.
Now, it's important that you know this word well for this lesson because we'll be using it quite a bit. Try saying it again.
Português.
To say that you speak Portuguese, you say
Falo português.
Note that in Portuguese you don't need the word for I, because I is already contained in the ending of the word falo. Don't worry about this just now. Listen again.
Falo português.
One more time.
Falo português.
We are going to add to this a little. Perhaps it's safer to say, I speak a little Portuguese. The word for a little is
pouco.
So putting this together with
Falo português.
You would say
Falo pouco português.
Listen to this again. It's quite tricky.
Falo pouco português.
Excellent. Try it one more time.
Falo pouco português. Time's up.
We're sure that the new phrases you've learned today will go down well with any Portuguese-speaking friends or colleagues you meet.
That's all for today. Obrigada e adeus.
Obrigado e adeus. This is a production of the Radiolingua Network. Find out more at radiolingua.com.